Yo, what's good, guys? So I'm back again with another video. Okay, so we are talking about the gold strategy. Okay, a lot of people been asking me, okay, give a SaaS that is going to help and that's very profitable. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to just like mark midnight open. Okay, so we want to see like we have this midnight open price. Okay, so if midnight is opening right here. Okay, so midnight open here. We want to see price to come below it, and you are going to see the 1 a.m. time frame, 1 a.m. time, okay, Eastern time window after midnight open. So I want to see price to come below midnight open, and we want to focus on that 1 a.m. time window. When we are into the 1 a.m. time window, we look for any high time frame key levels. Okay, so if there's any fair value gap, if there's any high time from key level order block anything, then we want to see is price to create a little reversal after 1 a.m. Then we want to target Asian highs. Okay, and this is same for the bearish. Okay, so we are like that, and then we have a little retracement, and then we want to see like that. Okay, so now we have the midnight open. Okay, so this is a midnight open, and we are above the midnight open price, and this is going to be 1 a.m. time frame, 1 a.m. time. Okay, Eastern time window, and then we want to look for price to give us a nice reversal, and then we want to target these Asian lows. Okay, so this is a midnight price. Okay, midnight opening, and we are above that, and then we have the high time from key level right above there, and then we look for reversals. Okay, so let me give you the chart examples to understand it more better, because you're not going to understand it very simply. Okay, guys, so this is an example. We have the Asian high, we have the Asian low. Now we have a liquidity sweep above these highs. Okay, so we are bearish, and we have the fair value gap, which is our high time frame key level, which is a 5 minute. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to just shift into high time frame key level, which is 15 minute or 5 minute. Okay, this is a scalping trade. Okay, so this is our fair value gap, and we want to see the midnight open price. Okay, so this is our midnight open price. Okay, so we are below it. Okay, and now we have to mark out our 1 a.m. time window, so which is this. Now I want to see price to go above if we are bearish. Okay, so we are into the high time frame key level, which is this. So we are now shifting into 1 minute time frame. Okay, so we are totally bearish into that high time frame key level. So I want to see price to shift lower, shift, okay, higher, and we want to see price to come into that high time frame key level, which is 15 minute or 5 minute fair value gap. Okay, okay, so we are into the high time frame key level, and I want to see price to take out the high and shift the structure. Okay, we wait for the market structure shift. Okay, so we have a market structure shift here. We have closed above the order block. We have that fair value gap. So I want to see price to just coming into that fair value gap or the breaker block, which is this, and then we want to see price to go higher. Okay, so this is a fair value gap here. Sorry. Okay, and then I want to go higher off of that, and we want to put our stop loss beneath these lows. Okay, so let's see what price is going to do. We want to just take 2RR. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're just consolidating. Okay, okay, boom. We have hit our TP. Okay, let me give you another example. I hope you understand. All right, guys, so this is another example. We are totally bearish. Okay, we want to see price to go below because we have taken that Asian highs, and we have this fair value gap is our high time from key level, and then we want to shift into the 5 minute time frame. Okay, we are into that high time from key level. We have that midnight open here. Okay, and we want to mark the midnight open, which is this, and we are above that midnight open, and I want to mark the 1 a.m. time window, which is this, and then of course we want to go into the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so now we are into high time frame key level, which is this fair value gap, and we have been into high time from key level. Of course, we're taking the Asian highs and we want to target these Asian lows. So I want to see price to shift the structure right here. Okay, so we shift the structure right here, and then I want to add some positions into that. Okay, and then I want to go higher, lower. Okay, I want to just target 2RR. Let's see. So we hit our TP.